Oh, him? That's just my new AI boyfriend. He basically does everything for me.
Yep, pretty much.
He plans my daily to-do list.
We're picking up your dad from the airport today.
He always has the perfect recipe on hand.
Cookies for dinner again? Huh, classy.
He answers all my super tough questions instantly.
No, Jessica, dinghy means a small boat.
He can help me respond to work emails too.
Passive-aggressive message to your boss sent.
He sets reminders too.
Remember your dad? You were supposed to pick him up like an hour ago.
He even sets up my daily yoga routine.
Jessica, your dad is blowing up your phone.
He's like the perfect assistant. I love him so much.
I'm glad you feel that way, but...
And the best part, he doesn't ask for anything in return.
Well, actually...
I bet you want an AI boyfriend now too.
Dude, stop cutting me off.
Well, there's all kinds of online courses on Coursera that can teach you how to have one too.
Excuse me, I'm a person too, and
Enroll. Spend a few hours learning the basics, and you'll have an AI boyfriend to make your life much easier. You don't need to know anything about AI or boyfriends to get started. Click the link in our bio.
I demand respect.